Good morning. Yes, it's really cold today. I think it's like -5 or -6 at this moment. And it's Sunday. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Today I think is the last day we see Leiden full of snow after 1 week of very cold weather, way below 0 degree. Viva, 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 viva! But let me show you what we had yesterday for lunch. Great ravioli with pumpkin and gorgonzola. Not too sweet, not too strong the taste of gorgonzola, but very well in balance with a great sauce, inspired by this beautiful weather. I love one ingredient in particular in this period of time, but let me show you after the intro. It moves up and down. So we are floating on the water. Okay, an experience. I never experienced that. What kind of sauce we can make with our ravioli with pumpkin and gorgonzola? Something winter. So the decision is made. A sauce made of mushroom winter mix. Amore? We do that. You start by slicing the mushroom very thin, and then you pour some olive oil in your pan, 1 garlic clove and a sprig of rosemary. Just let them heat a little bit without cooking, otherwise you burn the garlic and you don't want to do that. Just you have to extract the garlic taste and the rosemary taste into the oil. As soon as you see bubbling, means it's time to put the mushroom. Stir and cover the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes with a pretty low fire. It's just to let all the water of the mushroom get loose, and at the end you take the rosemary sprig away. Grab your box of pumpkin ravioli and let's cook them.
See the sun goes down, driving light in heart, counting trees around. This is our day to dream. My heart it's cursed with you. My heart is cursed with you.
Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoy my video, and if you have friends that likes the same as you do and I do the mushroom, please share my video and put a like. See you next time.
Do you see the road? Just get me a boat.
Here you can really walk next to the boats.